In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a Slack channel. Before we begin, there's one very important thing to understand. Deleting a Slack channel is permanent. Once it's removed, the messages, threads, files, and overall conversation history in that channel are gone and cannot be recovered. So before you go ahead, make sure your team no longer needs anything inside that channel. Also, you'll need the right permissions to do this. In Slack, only a workspace owner or workspace admin can delete a channel. If you're a regular member, you won't see the option to delete it. In that case, the only thing you can do personally is leave the channel so it disappears from your own sidebar. To get started, open Slack on your desktop app or in a desktop web browser. Once your workspace is open, go to the left sidebar and click on the specific public or private channel that you want to delete. Make sure you're opening the correct one since this action affects the entire workspace and not just your personal view. Next, move your cursor to the top area of the conversation window and click on the channel name. You'll find it in the header next to the hash symbol for a public channel or the lock icon for a private one. When you click it, a pop-up window will open with details and options for that channel. From there, look across the top of that pop-up and select the Settings tab. This is where Slack keeps the channel management options. Once you're in Settings, scroll down until you find the Delete option. Take your time here and read carefully, especially if you're managing multiple channels with similar names. When you see the red option labeled Delete this channel, click it. Slack will immediately show a confirmation prompt because this is a destructive action. In that confirmation window, check the box that says, yes, permanently delete this channel and its files. That checkbox is Slack's way of making sure you understand that the deletion cannot be undone. Finally, click the red delete channel button to confirm. Once you do that, Slack will remove the channel from the workspace. In most cases, your screen will automatically take you back to another default conversation. Often, the general channel and the deleted channel will no longer appear, and that's it. That's how to delete a Slack channel quickly and safely. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.